Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we would learn how to set up Algo Trading on AWS. For this, we would be using AWS free tier account, the setup which I'll be showing in this video, and then create a new EC2 instance and also automate the Algo script that needs to run on the instance startup. We would also be using AWS Lambda functions to automate the startup and stop of the instances so that the instances will be running only during predefined set, that would be the market hours. Doing this will avoid the instances from running during non-market hours and in turn reduces the billing. We would also integrate this script with the Telegram ports to receive any notification from the code. At first, look for AWS account on Google. This will take us to the Amazon AWS account website where you can create the new free tier account. In the top right, click on create an AWS account. You are in the sign up page now. Please enter your email address and the password and also an AWS account name. Email address, password and the account name. You would be asked for your credit card or debit card details, and once authenticated, you will be redirected to verify your phone number. And once that's done, you can select the support plan that you would wish for, and in our case it would be the basic support plan that's available for free. And now that your account creation is successful, you might have to wait for 24 hours for your account to be activated. In my case, it took less than 12 hours to be activated, but the max would be 24 hours. You would also receive an email notification once your account is activated. Now that my account is activated, I'll log into the AWS console with my email address and password that I used during the sign up. Once you are successfully authenticated, you will be redirected to the AWS Management Console page where you will see the available AWS services. Now, let's click on Launch a Virtual Machine that will redirect you to the EC2 dashboard page. Now that you are in the EC2 dashboard console, please click on Launch Instance. This will redirect you to the available Amazon machine images that can be used to set up your EC2 instance. There are many images which AWS supports, and also there are few which can be used for the free tier account. For the sake of simplicity and my learning, I will be using Ubuntu. You are free to choose even the Windows desktop if you're not comfortable with any of the Linux flavors. Once you choose your AWS machine image, you will be allowed to configure the instance type and also the required configuration to run your machine. You can also leave this default configuration as it is and continue with the next steps. At this point, you can review the configuration of your instance, and if at all you're okay with it, you can also launch the instance now. You would now be asked to create a new key pair that would be required to connect to this machine from your remote desktop or even a SSH client. Remember, this option to download the key pair will be available only once, and the PEM key that's downloaded automatically needs to be stored in a secure place so that you don't lose it and there is no way to get it back. Your instances are now being launched, and you can also see the launch status in the instances dashboard. The instance status is now pending, which would mean the instance is yet to be started. As you now see, the instance status is showing as running. That would mean the instance is up and it's ready for use. In the next part of the video, we'll see how to connect to these EC2 instances from an SSH client and also deploy some code and run it automatically. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please share and subscribe.